This video shows how to operate the dual-fuel EYG4000iN generator using LPG. Take the LPG hose from the accessory kit. Securely connect the LPG hose to the generator's gas inlet port. Make sure the LPG hose is firmly installed with no looseness or potential leakage. Open the gas cylinder valve to allow gas to flow into the system. Turn the fuel switch from stop to run. Note: when operating the generator on LPG fuel, the fuel switch must be set directly to the run position for engine startup, rather than remaining in the start position. Pull the recoil starter firmly until the engine starts running. Or push button start to hold for 3 seconds. After the generator is running steadily, press the econ.sw button on the control panel to switch between eco mode and power mode. After use, turn the fuel switch to the stop position, and close the LPG valve to shut down the generator.